Hello Standard 7, welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today's topic is from Unit 2, 2.2, The Souvenir. The Souvenir is a translation chapter. The original story was in Marathi. The title of that was The Bait, not The Bait. Yeah? It was in Marathi. And this has been translated in English by Lakshman Londe. Yes, so we are going to for this chapter. It's a very interesting chapter. It's about a trip. But before we go with the explanation of this chapter, you read the chapter once, we'll come to know. The main character in this is a young girl named Siley. And it's her journey. When she goes to the trip, when she comes back, what all things happen to her, how she enjoys the trip. The description in this chapter. So let's start with the video, the souvenir. The meaning of the souvenir. What is the meaning of the souvenir? Souvenir means when you go to some place, you bring a memorable thing to remember that thing. Right now? So that thing when you bring, that is said to be a souvenir. Yes? So now we are going to start with the chapter 2.2, the souvenir. The souvenir means a memorable trip. Something we bring from that to remember the journey. With the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long, still she did not seem to be content. See, the starting paragraph of the chapter itself, you come to know that Siley, the name of the girl, where is she? She is not anywhere else, not in her house or on the earth. She is in this space shuttle. What is space shuttle? Space shuttle means a instrument, or you can say a vehicle which will take you to the space, up, out of the earth to the other planet. Right? And she is sitting, see, you can find that she is sitting inside this space shuttle and she is gazing outside. She is seeing the view outside and she is still not contented. Contented means still she is not happy. She is still going on seeing that. Yes? So let's start. We'll continue with it. And she's sitting and she's seeing outside and she's so happy that the sleep doesn't come to her. She is just seeing the view. Of course, when we go somewhere new, we keep on looking out of the window. Same way, she is just staring and still she is not satisfied with the view which she comes across. She had read the description of this view several times before and she had also seen the video. Yes, but this was different. Reading the description was one thing and seeing the pictures on the video captured by the camera is another, and getting the opportunity to seeing this amazing panorama with your own eyes physically is something out of the world experience. See, when you read or when you see a movie, it's different thing, but you are present there in that space, that place, that is some out of the different experience, right? And that is what Siley was having, that she was having a out of the world, something extraordinary experience being in the space shuttle. Yes, and she was seeing the earth from the space shuttle. No matter how long she sat gazing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. She was just going on seeing. She had a fear, she had a wonder, amazing thing, and that never decreased her. The earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller in the sky. The azure blue sky was not just looking black. The clouds had disappeared and the stars were shining bright. This is the full condition, or you can say this situation which she was seeing from the shuttle, the earth in the down. This trip to the moon was an extraordinarily expensive, but still Siley's mother had sent her on that trip. It was extremely costly trip. Yes, very expensive trip, but her mother had sent. In our childhood, we could not even think of such a long trip. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said her mommy. Her mommy wanted her to go to the space in the space shuttle. Oh, mommy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for the school children used to be only up to Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Sally, laughing. Remembering the incident made her laugh even more. She was discussing with her mummy, right? She was discussing about the trip that the generation has changed. The before, you can say the grandmother or the parents, they were just going where? To Delhi, Kolkata or Europe. But see now, Sally has an opportunity to go to the other planet. Now the shuttle. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting. Orbiting means going round and round. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution. So how many minutes? 32 minutes around the light and darkness followed each other in quick success. That is day and night. The dome-shaped settlement on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. So let us start. Light and darkness. See, when you go round and round the earth, some part is having a night and some part is having a day. Same way when you go up to the moon, you will find that the sun's light, if some part it is light, that is day, and some part it is darkness, means night, right? And after going round and round, she could see from the window of the shuttle space that there was this dome shape like an ice house of an igloo in the cold region, polar region. In the polar region, the people, tribal people known as Eskimos, they stay there and they don't have a house like a hut. They have a house like a igloos. Their house is known by a igloos. And such settlement was there on the moon. So now you must have come to know that where was Sally going for her trip? Yes, she was going on the moon. Her trip was to the moon. Yes, so and now she is nearing towards the moon. She is far away from the earth and she is nearing towards the moon. And you will find that what an exciting trip it was for her. When we read, see now, after some time the stylish shuttle made a low, measured and safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was opened. The children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, after going round and round and round the moon, the shuttle came and stopped, landed, and the children were asked to step out of the shuttle ship. But what happened? As they came out of the shuttle ship, they were not allowed to roam on the moon. No, they were taken through an airtight tunnel. Right? And from there they went where? To the Neil Armstrong base. Who was this Neil Armstrong? The first man to step on the moon. So the name of that base was dedicated to him. Yes, so that base is known as Neil Armstrong base. Yes, so today only up to here. We are going to stop up to here. Just read the textbook. Yes, and the next is in the next session. Thank you.